Hey everyone, it's Nolan with Premier Automotive Source LLC in Jacksonville, Florida. Wanted to take a minute to walk around this stone white 2004 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, also known as the LJ. This one right here has only 44,500 miles, has a clean Carfax, 2 owners, really well kept Jeep, really clean inside and out as well as underneath. It's got the GR8TOPS Safari top. Very unusual to see one with one of these. Makes it stand out. Looks really cool. Kind of gives it that Land Rover look a little bit. Can easily be removed also if you wanted to take it off and run with bikini top or a soft top. It's got the Line X coating throughout the interior, the tub of the Jeep. This being an Unlimited, it also has a factory Dana 44 rear axle with 373 gears, 4-wheel disc brakes, factory cruise control, factory AC. It's a really nice Jeep. It's got a nick or two here and there. You'll find a stray ding. There's a ding right here on the grill. But it looks really nice. Paint's in great shape. Shows really well. It has a clean Carfax. You can find that on our website, premierautosource.com. We have a link to the Carfax. We have a link to financing if that's needed. You're welcome to call me or text me at 904-382-7230 if you have any questions. Double din Kenwood radio, factory AC. So the Line X floors, really nice. Just all in all, a really nice Jeep. Very unusual. This is not cracked. Almost every TJ or LJ has a crack right here in the door panel. This one's still in really good shape, so thought we'd point that out. Really appreciate your interest today. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.